In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a forgotten n8n password for a locally hosted instance. Losing access to your n8n instance can indeed be frustrating, but don't worry. We'll walk through the entire process to help you regain control seamlessly. To get started, you'll need to open your command prompt or terminal. This is your gateway to commanding your system, where you can enter powerful commands to perform various tasks. Navigate into the directory where n8n is installed or running. This step is crucial because you need to point your terminal at the right location on your computer so it can execute the commands we'll be using. Once you're in the correct directory, the next task is to execute the reset command. Go ahead and type in the command n8n usermanagement.reset. Then press enter. What this command does is resets the database to its default user state. Specifically, it resets the admin user, effectively enabling you a fresh start while keeping your workflows intact. After executing this command, the next step is to restart your n8n instance. This part is simple. Just close the application and open it again. Restarting it is essential because it applies the changes we've made by resetting the database. With the application restarted, you'll be greeted with a fresh sign-up form. This is your opportunity to set up a new account. Enter your desired details to create a new account, and make sure to set a new password that you'll remember easily. This process not only lets you regain access, but does so while preserving your valuable existing data and workflows. Now, if you're running your n8n instance using Docker, the process starts a little differently. Begin by finding the n8n container ID. You can do this using the command docker ps. This command lists all the running Docker containers, and you'll be able to spot your n8n container among them. Once you have the container ID, execute the following command: docker exec it container ID n8n usermanagement.reset. Just replace container ID with the actual ID you retrieved earlier. After executing the Docker command just as before, restart your n8n instance. This step ensures the reset takes full effect as it would with a non-Docker setup. Finally, when you reopen n8n after the Docker restart, you'll once again be met with a fresh sign-up screen. Create a new set of credentials to get back into your n8n realm with newfound access and control. And there you have it. You've now effectively reset your n8n password and regained access to your locally hosted instance. Thank you for tuning into today's tutorial. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to reach out, and I'll be happy to assist. Enjoy running your workflows seamlessly with your restored access.